Hello everyone, I'm Grits Plays today, and well today I'm also Grits Plays, because I'm always Grits Plays instead of Grits Sick. But today, I am back, not sick, sort of sick, but it's a Friday before school, so I want to make something good for lunch. And today I'm making microwave eggs. I just thought of a cool name with microheuvos, eggs, microwave. Okay, so first, you need to take one egg, crack it into a mug. Oh, you probably want to oil the mug too, just to make it easier. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. So next, you want to add a splash of milk. There we go. Pinch of salt and pepper. Now some pepper. And there we go. Max. What the heck, Max? Okay, there we go. Max, just be quiet. Now, you have to... now you have to mix up the eggs and everything. Definitely not excited that school started. Yeah, I am also at the same time. I'm excited to see all my friends. Not excited to learn or anything. You know what I mean? Probably do. I hope. Going into the 8th grade. I miss being young. Okay. So now it's all mixed together. Get everything all the way in the microwave. Oh yeah. Boop. And now, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, I think. Open this thing up and put it in. There we go. I'll see y'all whenever the eggs are done cooking. Microwave just beep, see if it's done. So, mug hot. Whoa, it's perfectly done. And this is the first time I've done this, but still. Made like a deformed, like it's deformed eggs almost. So now put this on the plate. Let's try to, because I forgot the oil. It should come out right easily for the people that actually use oil, but I forgot oil. And it's still coming out easily. There we go. Barely any egg, but you can always make some more. Now, we just gotta add a little sriracha. Come on. Well, it didn't turn out how I hoped it would. But, I'm gonna take some product shots, and I'll be back in a second. 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, now time to try this. Here we go. It's looking good so far. That is so hot, really hot. But that's good. And for like 2 minutes in the microwave, it's a pretty fast breakfast. But thank you for watching. Comment down below what you would like me to cook next. Anybody who's watching this who knows me in real life, hi. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.